For today, we're going to talk about ano po yung sa how to become healthy, especially po ngayong panahon ng tag-ulan. Of course, we have two different topics for today. We have the healthy life system and the core system. Okay. So there are 6 health concerns in the Philippines. First, we have diabetes, tuberculosis, dengue, measles, heart disease, obesity, and cervical cancer. So dito sa Baguio, most of the time, ang nagiging problem namin yung dengue, lalo na ngayong tag-ulan, and of course, yung diabetes. And then, study shows that poor nutrition, stress, smoking, insufficient sleep, and lack of physical activity suppresses the immune system, making the body vulnerable to diseases. So napaka-importante rin po na healthy yung lifestyle natin. So bago natin i-introduce yung mga products natin sa katawan, it is very important din na you have to consider healthy ba yung lifestyle nyo? Kumakain ba kayo ng sapat? Kumakain ba kayo ng tama? O nag-exercise po ba kayo? O baka naman sobra rin kayo sa sigarilyo or alcohol? So, napaka-importante po noon. Remember that the Philippines healthcare expenditures in 2018 grew to 8.3% in 2018, amounting to 8 billion pesos. So, ganun yung nai-spend ng ating healthcare, dahil sa iba't ibang sakit na meron tayo sa ating bansa. So, napakahirap na isipin na yung taxes po na binibigay natin napupunta lang sa iba't ibang sakit, especially now meron po tayong pandemic ng COVID-19. So, bilang isang good citizen, siguro wag na tayo maging parte ng gastusin na to. So that is why we are very lucky kasi we have this singular company who is going to teach us, who is going to let us know kung paano alagaan po yung ating katawan. So for today, we're going to talk about healthy life system, the overall wellness body protection. So napakarami pong product na naglipa na sa market ngayon. Kaya lang, so ang ina-advise ko lang, you have to know what you are eating. So since these are food, food, we're talking about food supplements, we're not talking about medicine here, hindi to yung gamot na panggamot sa kanamang sakit. We're talking about the food na kailangan natin kainin araw-araw. Hindi siya katulad ng medicine na pag ininom mo ngayon, wala na yung sakit. We are talking about prevention. We are talking about how we can be well, how we can be younger, how we can be healthier by eating the proper food and of course these supplements. So first we're going to talk about Genesis. So ano po ba yung meron sa Genesis na yan? When we talk about Genesis, we're talking about 24-hour protection. Okay? So it is patented External 24. Bakit External 24? Because this will protect our body for 24 hours. So meron kasi yung ibang supplements na pag ininom mo ngayon, okay yung feeling mo, mamaya wala na. So that's the difference between Genesis. So when we talk about Genesis, we're talking about resveratrol and ellagic acid. So siguro narinig niyo na po yung resveratrol. You can buy that in the different drugstore or pharmaceutical companies na or even you can even take it from what we call red wine. Kaya lang ang problema sa red wine, yung alcohol na present doon, naiinom pa rin natin, which is also bad for our liver and also bad for our kidney. So, ang difference ng Genesis is that we are getting the resveratrol. If you're going to compare the 1 ounce of Genesis with 10 bottles of red wine, you're getting all the resveratrol from those 10 bottles just by drinking 1 ounce of Genesis without the presence of alcohol. So yun yung safety na binibigay sa atin ng Genesis. It helps boost our immune system. It helps protect against heart disease and blocks the production of free radicals in the body for 24 hours. So saan pa natin nakuha yung resveratrol? So yung Genesis natin, it has this what we call the grape skin and seeds. So yung iba, kakain na lang ako ng grapes. Total maraming nabibili sa palengke ng grapes. Kaya lang, you are not getting the right amount of resveratrol. Why? Because some of us are throwing the skin of the grapes where we can get the resveratrol. And most of us are throwing the seeds. So, nandun kasi yung resveratrol na tinatawag natin. So, minsan mali kasi yung pagkain natin. Kung minsan man, kinakain natin si skin, but unfortunately, we're not digesting it properly. Why? Kasi yung cutin dun sa yung sa skin, sa cell wall, ano po, is ng grapes cannot be digested, especially pag medyo nagkakaedad na po, ano. So, makikita nyo, nandun na lang sa ating movement pag morning, ano. So, pag kinain natin siya ng gabi, pagdating mo sa umaga, makikita nyo doon. So, we're just wasting some of our money, no? Of course, we're getting the vitamin C from the juice, pero the resveratrol that we get, hindi natin talaga yun makukuha. Aside from that, we are also promising a good amount of ellagic acid. So ellagic acid is very important sa ating katawan, ano, especially pag meron kayo sa genes nyo na may mga history ng cancer, ano po, sa ating mga kamag-anak, ano po, so napaka-importante na kumakain tayo ng ellagic acid. So we can get the ellagic acid of Genesis from the pomegranate, ano po. Ang pomegranate kasi, meron naman po tayong tanim dito sa Philippines na pomegranate. For example, we have yung granada na nakakain natin, but sometimes yung handling can affect the amount of ellagic acid, ano, kasi kung minsan tinatapon naman natin yung buto, no? So hindi naman natin yun kinakain. So yung ellagic acid na gusto natin, hindi natin nakukuha. And then aside from that, when you drink Genesis, even your digestive system is protected. Bakit? Kasi meron siyang aloe vera, ano? So if you have problems with your stomach and your intestine, ano po, the Genesis is a very good way of protecting your intestine because of the presence of the aloe vera and the olive extract, ano po. So aside from that, talagang makukuha natin in a proper way. So wag niyo sasabihin na, di bale marami akong tanim na aloe vera, pwede akong gumawa ng juice ng aloe vera. Ano po? Pwede akong gumawa ng juice ng pomegranate, ano po? Nasa processing, ano po, nasa kung paano pini-prepare ang isang product. Kung paano natin makukuha yung right amount of ellagic acid and resveratrol, which can help our heart, ano po, especially kapag may problem po kayo sa puso or may problem kayo sa dugo, if you are hypertensive, ano po, just maintain at least 1 ounce a day. But if you have problems with yung gusto nyong meron kayong kamag-anak na may dengue, if you want to make their blood healthy, ano po, ibalik yung dating magandang blood platelet count, you have to give them at least half a bottle of Genesis a day. Ano, napakasimple lang kasi kung minsan nagpapanik tayo, hindi natin alam yung gagawin. That is why we are very lucky kasi meron tayong mga free seminars sa Singular in order to inform us on what to do. Ano po, especially sa mga health emergency natin. Aside from Genesis, we have the #1 food supplement that we call yung Nutramax for maximum health protection. It will supercharge our body. Ano po, yung feeling natin talagang malakas tayo. And aside from that, there is a promising probiotics that can help our digestive health. Ano po? Bakit gusto ko si Nutramax, especially po sa aking mga seniors? Ano po? Alam niyo, pag tayo ay tumatanda, kung ano-ano na yung ating nagiging sakit, ano, that is why si Dr. Alzheimer, he was able to conduct a study about Alzheimer's disease kasi napapansin niya yung mga patients niya, no, may something is wrong with their brain, no po. So when you talk about Alzheimer's disease, it's an irreversible progressive brain disorder. So pag sinabi niyo gano'n, meron pa bang cure? Ano po? So sasabihin ng mga health practitioner natin, wala na po. Ano po? So we're just going to wait for that time na tayo po ay sumalangit na nawa, ano po. Pero when you drink Nutramax, pag sinabi nyo kasi Alzheimer's disease, ang #1 na kulang sa atin is yung vitamin B complex. Ano po? So we're going to have vitamin B1, 6, and 12. Ano po? You can buy that in the drugstore naman. Kaya lang, Ang kagandahan ng Nutramax, andyan na. May 1,612 na siya. And we have the vitamin B9. Ano po? Yung vitamin B9 na nagbibigay sa atin ng folate, ng folic acid, especially kapag po tayo ay tumatanda na. Ano po? Minsan nga, mga bata pa lang, kulang na sila ng folate. That's why pinibigyan sila ng folate ng mga pedya nila. Pero pag nagkaedad na po, talagang bigyan ka man o hindi, ano po, mag-folic acid na kayo. And vitamin B9, which is present also in Nutramax, can help reduce depression. Kasi kung minsan, kapag tumatanda na, lagi tayong maraming iniisip, especially pag wala na po sa inyo ang inyong mga anak, ano po, so nadidepressed kayo. So we're very lucky because we have this Nutramax. Aside from the vitamin B complex, ano po, we also have vitamin A, C, D, and E, ano po. So andun na siya, hindi ka na kailangan bumili ng separate na carotenoids for your eyes, and the carotenoids, the vitamin A that is present in Nutramax can also help your skin look younger, ano po, and then it has the nutritive herbal blend, ano po, so andyan na yung mga trace minerals, you have the magnesium dyan, meron kayong potassium, which will help those nerves, no, na especially yung nagkakaroon ng numbness sa kamay, kapag kayo po ay laging naglalaba, and then pagdating sa hapon, tutupiin nyo at titiklopin nyo at paplansyahin nyo na naman yung ibang damit, ano po, so overuse yung ating kamay. Kung minsan yung paa natin, overuse, especially into pandemic, kasi lagi kang ng bagay na nandiyan ka sa bahay. Ano po, so you have to protect your nerves by taking Nutramax, ano po. Don't worry about the ano naman, yung kung halimbawa ay sasabihin nyo, anong oras ko ito iinumin? Paano? Nandiyan lang ako. Umaga ba, tanghali ba, or gabi? Sa amin po, usually ang advice ko, morning po, after breakfast and after lunch. Kasi this is an energizer. Ano po? So, malakas kayo buong maghapon. So, kapag ininom niyo yan sa gabi, usually sa amin, hindi ako makatulog. Sorry. Hindi ako makatulog kasi malakas pa rin ako. So, morning lang po at saka after lunch ang pag-inom ng Nutramax. Anyway, we have the omega, advanced omega naman po, that we can take po sa gabi. Ano po, kung halimbawa po you have a problem with your blood circulation, with crucial omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid. Now, there is what we call the ADA, yung DHA, ano po, and the DPA, the docosapentaenoic acid, which is very important to our brain. Ano po, that's why kahit na yung bata ko, yung aking special child, I used to give him the advanced omega, aside from, of course, the vitamins that he's taking. Ano po, ang advanced omega is really very helpful to him, especially pag meron tayong mga special kids na they have this yung mga tantrums, ano po, so you have to give them something that will calm, no, that will help their blood circulate properly and have a healthier brain function. So this will increase the flow of blood to the heart muscles, ano po. So when we talk about Nutramax a while ago, we're talking about the leafy greens, the berries, the nuts, ano po. Here in Advanced Omega, we're talking about the Norwegian pink salmon. So may nagtanong sa akin, bakit ganon? Mas mura sa iba. Ano po, mas mura sa yung omega sa iba. Bakit ko iinumin yung binibigay mong advanced omega? So, ang difference, there's a big difference with our advanced omega. Kasi yung iba is just made of the sardines oil or the shark's oil or the anchovies oil. Ano po? So maybe for those people who are taking the cheaper ones, please try to look kung ano yung ingredients ng inyong iniinom, ano po. So it's very important na alam niyo yung ingredients na iniinom nyo, which came from a cold processed omega. Kasi meron yung iba na omega, sasabihin nila, ma'am, bakit ganito? Umiinom naman ako ng omega, pero nagkakaroon ako ng yung mga parang yung mga pantal-pantal, ano po. So please concentrate on the pink salmon or the Norwegian salmon omega. Ano po, that is the safest omega that we can have. If you want to take omega from nuts, the best nuts that you can take is the walnut. Ano po, it's very good for the brain also. You can take the almonds or the cashew nuts. Can I have or can I get omega from peanuts? Sabihin nila sa akin, well, of course, there's also an omega because it's also a legume, meron pa rin. Kaya lang, the problem is, pag kumain daw sila ng peanut, nananakit yung kanilang tuhod. Ano po? So that's the problem naman. Why? Because there is this certain part of the peanuts or the legumes na very high in uric acid. Ano po? So sometimes, if we don't cook it properly, that's the time na hindi natin na-enjoy si peanuts. Now, if your problem is your immune system, ano po, nitong tag-ulan at saka po tag-COVID na tinatawag, kung natatakot pa rin kayong lumabas kasi sabi nga nila na vaccine na ako. Kaya lang bakit ganoon? Sabi nila kahit na vaccine ka na raw, hindi ka pa naman pala protected 100%. Sabi. Of course, you're not, kasi marami na ring variant ng COVID, and then siyempre, hindi lang naman yung COVID ang iniwasan natin, cold and flu, yung mga umuubo-ubo sa tabi natin, no? It is very important that you will strengthen your immune system. Our IM provides powerful and long-term immune enhancement. So, yun yung lalabas ka ng bahay na hindi ka kakaba-kaba. Although, siyempre, gumamit ka pa rin ng face mask, ng face shield, pero yung napakasarap na lumabas na hindi ka nandidiri sa mga kausap mo, hindi ka natatakot mahawaan sa mga katabi mo, So, all you have to do is to take IM twice a day, sa umaga yan, bago kayo lumabas, and then sa gabi, bago kayo matulog. Do you know that IM is a blended mushroom, yung iba't ibang mushroom. We have the turkey's tail na napakamahal, You can get that from the plank of wood. We have the Ganoderma na ginagawa nilang coffee, So meron din yan sa IM. The cordyceps mushroom is very, very expensive. When you go to China, the orange cordyceps, just to strengthen their lungs, sa China, kinakain nila yan, and it's very, very expensive. But here we have it in IM. So you don't have to buy yung paisa-isang ganon. All of the important kind or important type of mushroom is already there. So napaka-importante niyan. And then, of course, if we have problems with our hormones, mapalalaki or mapababae, we have the so-called female balance. This is a very important supplement for our balance for women. Especially yung mga kadalagahan po natin kapag nagkakaroon sila ng hormonal ng menstrual problem, either dysmenorrhea or oligomenorrhea, you can give them female balance. It helps promote balance and relaxation each month. So hindi nila ma-feel yung pananakit, yung pamumuo nung lumalabas sa kanila, masusuppression. Paano ko halimbawa may problem ako sa liver? At lalaki ako, sabihin niyo po sa akin. Kasi female balance is very good for those who are having some liver enlargement, yung fatty liver, kapag meron kayong fatty liver, female balance is very good for everybody. Yung mga especially kung matakot tayo sa fatty foods, all you have to do is to eat at least 2 tablets of female balance a day pag may problema po kayo sa liver. Paano kung lalaki, Pwede ba akong uminom ng female balance? Of course, you can eat female balance, for your protection, especially kung mahilig kang uminom, kung mahilig kang mamulutan, napaka-importante niyan. Yung mga bata, na mahilig kumain ng mga inihaw sa tabi-tabi, you have to give them female balance. And of course, for male, we also have the male balance, yung mga kalalakihan natin na medyo ninenervous sa kanilang prostate. This will support the proper functioning of male system. Ano po? It increases prostate strength. So, wala pa man kayong prostate problem kasi usually nag-a-appear yan sa mga 40 years above, ano? So, all you have to do is to drink at least twice a day na male balance, and this will help your male reproductive organ. Paano kaya kung may UTI ako, ma'am? Ano po? At lagi ako nag-UTI, nagkakaroon ako ng problema sa ihi ko. All you have to do is to drink male balance kahit na babae pa kayo. No? Usually kasi yung iba sabihin nila sa akin, ma'am, babae ako, bakit ako iminom ng male balance? You know? Of course, the Shopal method that is there, ano, yung mga ingredients ng African Pygeum na nandoon sa male balance is very important, ano? It's very good for urinary tract infection. I'm not saying na this is better than the antibiotic. Ano po? Pero if you're going to take male balance, if you are always experiencing urinary tract infection, and then if you're taking male balance every day, you will prevent having, the urinary tract infection because of the African Pygeum, which will prevent yung mga bacterial infection sa ating private parts. And of course, we have the tranquility. So that's the yung mga nasabi ko po kanina, these are all the contents of our healthy life system. So pag meron po kayong ganyan sa bahay ninyo, lalo na yung mga takot sa doktor, no? Kasi takot akong pumunta sa hospital. That's why I have to make it sure na kompleto siya sa bahay. Pag kompleto ito sa bahay, you don't need to be afraid, na baka ako dalhin sa hospital pag ako'y nagkasakit, po. So again, we have Genesis, Nutramax, the Advanced Omega for your blood, the IM for your immune system, then we have the female balance and male balance for your hormonal imbalance. So yung mga malapit na pong menopause, po, it is recommended that you take the female balance bago kayo mag-menopause, po, so that you will prevent the hot flashes, the bleeding, po, and then of course for your skin protection kasi pag nag-menopause na raw po, biglang tatanda yung kanilang skin. But if you're going to take female balance, po, so you can take it from my seniors in Baguio, no? Gaganda nila. Gaganda ng mga skin. Po? Why? Because they are taking the female balance every day. So aside from that, if you have problems with yung sleeping at night, we also have what we call the TQ or tranquility, which is also a relaxant supplement. It calms the mind and body and promotes better sleep. Why? Kasi it also has vitamin B12. Bakit yung vitamin B complex? Bakit hindi na lang yung Nutramax sa gabi? Sabihin niya sa akin, why? Because when you drink Nutramax, malakas ka pa rin eh. So kung halimbawa, if you feel pains, yung meron kayong mga muscle pains, or kasi this will help your nerves, yung TQ. Ito yung aming natural, what they call that? Ito yung natural mefenamic acid namin. So we don't usually take the mefenamic acid, kasi may side effect nga daw sa iba. So we just take the TQ. Kapag medyo may masakit, masakit yung minsan yung mata, pag sobrang pagod, we just take the TQ. Especially pag hindi ka na makatulog, pag hindi ka makatulog, andyan naman si TQ, kuha ka na lang, and it will give you a very good sleep at night.